welcome back to my channel. Hi, I am Bhagyashree Pramanik and welcome to my channel. And I know it's been a long that I posted a video on YouTube, so sorry for that. Today's video I'm going to show you how I make soupy noodles. Today's video I'm going to use these noodles which named as current hot and spicy noodles, which comes with dehydrated vegetable mix, which I'm not using today because I'm using some vegetables, and this one chicken seasoning, and also chili plus pepper paste, which is going to be spicy. For veggies today I'm taking some carrots, some beans, some tomatoes, some capsicum, little bit of green chilies, some chopped garlic, ginger and onion, some broccoli, cabbage and sweet corn, and lastly some coriander leaves. And also my all-time favorite Amul garlic butter. Let's move on to the recipe now.